is a cornerstone of ethical data handling and takes on even greater significance in AR, VR, XR. Because these technologies collect such detailed and personal data, users must be fully aware of what data is being collected, how it will be used, who it will be shared with, and how long it will be stored. Simply presenting a lengthy, legalistic terms of service agreement is insufficient. Informed AR, VR, XR consent requires a proactive, user-centered approach. Key elements of informed consent in AR, VR, XR: clarity and accessibility. Consent requests must be presented in clear, plain language that is easy for the average user to understand. Avoid technical jargon and legal terms. Consider using visual aids, such as icons or short videos, to explain data collection practices. Granularity. Users should be able to give granular consent for specific types of data collection. For example, they might consent to collecting location data for a particular feature but not other purposes. A blanket, accept all approach is often inappropriate. Timing and context. Consent requests should be presented appropriately and in the relevant context. For example, suppose a feature requires access to the user's microphone. The consent request should be given before the feature is activated, not buried within a lengthy initial setup process. Revocability. Users must be able to revoke their consent quickly and easily. The process for withdrawing consent should be as simple as the process for granting it. Dynamic consent. As AR, VR, XR experiences evolve and new features are added, consent may need to be reobtained. A dynamic consent mechanism allows users to be informed of and consent to changes in data collection practices over time. Special considerations for bystanders. As mentioned before, special considerations should be addressed. Age verification and parental consent. Special considerations following COPPA. Traditional methods of obtaining consent, e.g., clicking a checkbox, may not be sufficient in the immersive and often hands-free environments of AR, VR, XR. Developers should explore innovative consent mechanisms that are appropriate for the specific context, such as voice commands, gesture-based controls, or just-in-time notifications. The goal is to empower users to make informed decisions about their data privacy.